Barney! See? His stick is gone. This is Barney. This is what we do all summer. It's this. Be the next abuser. We rode the four-wheeler.
Harambe!
We're looking for Harambe.
Harambe!
Jared, you gonna come join us on Monday?
Harambe!
We're looking for Harambe.
Where are you, buddy?
Hey, let's go to this shack.
Harambe! Where are you?
I think Harambe's in the shack.
Harambe!
Kyle, what should we do?
Shoot. Harambe? I think I see him. Harambe?
Wait, what the fuck? There's actually something in there. Wait, we gotta walk around.
I think there's... Everyone gets it.
No, we're not walking through that. We're going around.
Harambe!
Anyways, Jared, Monday, let me know, bud. Yep.
It's in there.
I have my mudding shoes on. You got your school shoes on?
Yeah.
Well, you'll be fine. See, look, I'm not getting any white shit on my...
Anything in there?
There's a couple stuff.
What?
Come on, come look for yourself.
Is it burnt?
Yes, obviously, Kyle. Of course it's fucking... There's a fuse box. There's pipes. There's all kinds of shit in here.
Let's go, Harambe. Let's go.
Harambe's in that shack. How much you want to bet Harambe's in that shack?
Harambe's dead.
No, he's not. And not our souls.
I'm with Harambe.
Harambe.
Harambe. 2011. 16.
Kyle's gonna kick Barney in the water. Go for it. Woo! Oh shit, Barney. Might want to move. He ripped. I think I heard a rip. This is Barney's head. And oh, you guys are kicking it again. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Ah, good job, buddy. Kyle, what do you have to say to Victor?
Fuck Barney.
Fuck.